Hello, my name is Dr. Timothy Allen. I am an orthopedic hand surgeon working with the Steadman Hawkins Clinic of the Carolinas at the Greenville Hospital System. I first probably decided I wanted to be a physician in high school, and my mother was in the medical field, not a physician, but there was an influence there, and then just always was interested in science and body parts and body activities and biology and all those kind of things. So that was when I first remember making that decision. I like fixing things. I like helping people, and especially with the hand, you can restore people's function on a regular basis and make daily life that much more simple. So I think it's always been, that's why a lot of people become doctors, help people obviously in their interest in medicine, but being able to change people's lives through a surgery is just always been intriguing and very rewarding. As a hand surgeon, I do everything that has to do with treatment and or surgery of the hand. So basic stuff like carpal tunnel releases, trigger finger releases, tendonitis, ganglion cysts about the wrist and hand. But then I also do anything that has to do with arthritis reconstruction or trauma reconstruction. Do microvascular work and reconstruction there as well. See a lot of trauma, so fractures, lacerations, amputations, do all of that type of work as well. I also do elbow work as well, so I've done many total elbow replacements. I've done several total wrist replacements. So those are more unique surgeries that maybe not everybody sees or does or knows about. They also make artificial finger joints as well, and proficient in that and have a lot of experience doing that. And I also do some congenital or developmental hand stuff as well with kids with extra digits or missing digits or syndactylies or things like that need to be reconstructed in kids. To make patients feel comfortable, I think it's important to relate to them on their level. You can have all the knowledge in the world and do the best surgery in the world, but in order to make somebody feel comfortable, you really have to relate to them on their level and make them understand what's wrong and what's going to be done to try and fix it. So it's important not to talk over people's heads. It's important to listen intently and answer their questions and understand their concerns. And again, picking up on subtle messages and signals that patients will give you that aren't always spoken. So I think it's just important to not only be intelligent and capable, but also to be empathic and understanding and a good listener. I had actually known the Steadman Hawkins name from Colorado when I was a medical student and resident, and actually had the opportunity to work with Dr. Hawkins as a resident when I was training in Denver. So I was able to take part in his shoulder clinic there and get to know him and kind of get a good feel for who he was and appreciate his tremendous knowledge and his teaching capabilities and helpful personality. So 15 or 20 years later now, when this opportunity kind of arose, I knew the Steadman Hawkins name and knew that it would be a place that the reputation was important, quality medicine was important, and just the caliber of people that I was going to encounter here was going to be top-notch. I am married. I met my wife in Charleston when I had first moved there a little over 8.5 years ago, and she was working in the orthopedic office the group I had joined, and so I had, this was kind of a second childhood for me at that time, so I had decided I was going to put a rock band together, and did that. Found out that Tiffany played guitar and sang, and approached her about joining the band, and one thing led to another, and here we are. In my free time, I'm frequently keeping up with my 5-year-old, so he dictates a lot of what we do, but do like to do stuff with music, whether it's either playing or listening or going out to see a show. We do enjoy watching live music, especially if we know the band, so that makes it more fun. And I said, still enjoy doing sports. I work out, try to anyway, 3 times a week, and play tennis when I can.